Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best wound wash is probably one of the most underappreciated items in your first aid kit. From minor scrapes to more serious cuts, knowing how to properly clean a wound is essential for preventing infection and promoting rapid healing. In this video, we'll dive into the world of wound wash, exploring its benefits, how to use it effectively, and why it's a must-have for every home. Number 5. Terrasil Wound Care 3X Ointment, 0.5 Oz. This ointment is uniquely formulated to provide a powerful barrier against infection, killing 99.99% of bacteria. It soothes and protects damaged skin, supporting faster healing of wounds and sores. It calms inflammation and redness, minimizing the risk of scarring. This ointment reduces itching and irritation, providing relief for various skin issues. It applies easily without stinging. This product contains activated minerals, backed by extensive research and development. These minerals, combined with select ingredients, effectively treat, protect, and support skin healing. It provides therapeutic benefits with natural ingredients like jojoba oil and calendula. This helps moisturize damaged skin, offering relief from itching and soreness. It's also free of parabens, alcohol, dyes, and fragrances. This product is formulated with the finest ingredients and made in the USA. It adheres to the highest quality manufacturing standards. It is also FSA and HSA eligible. What we like. This product creates a powerful barrier against infection, which is crucial for faster healing. It also offers fast relief and soothing, minimizing scarring. If you have sensitive skin or are prone to irritation, you should consider this product because it is dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic. What people say. Easy to use. The spray nozzle is great. It works great for cleaning wounds. Number 4. Medline Skintegrity Wound Cleanser 8-ounce Spray Bottle. This is Medline Skintegrity Wound Cleanser. It's specially formulated for fast and gentle cleansing of wounds in all stages. It helps to remove protein and debris effectively. The spray bottle offers adjustable settings. You can choose from mist to stream delivery, making it easy to clean wounds effectively. The cleanser helps to loosen and remove protein and wound debris. It uses a non-ionic surfactant for effective cleaning. This formula is non-cytotoxic. It won't harm healthy cells or slow down the healing process. This ensures a safe and effective cleaning experience. The trigger sprayer delivers a PSI of 8.6 at 3 spraying distance. This falls within the optimum PSI range for effective wound irrigation. This product is suitable for various wound types. It can be used for cleaning, debridement, and managing pressure injuries and infected wounds. What we like. This cleanser is specially formulated for gentle wound cleansing, removing debris without harming healthy cells. The adjustable spray allows for precise application, from mist to stream. If you are looking for a wound cleanser that is both effective and gentle, you should consider this product. What people say. This is the perfect bottle of sodium chloride solution, specifically a 0.9% isotonic saline solution, which is a common and effective wound cleanser. This solution is gentle, non-irritating, and doesn't interfere with the natural healing process, especially by spraying the wound and surrounding areas. The trigger top allows me to adjust to a spray or stream depending on what area I am cleaning. Number 3. Vashe Wound Solution OTC Wound Cleanser. This is Vashe Wound Solution OTC, a wound cleanser designed for home wound care. It utilizes pure hypochlorous acid to help cleanse wounds in a safe and effective way. The solution is biocompatible and works naturally. The hypochlorous acid acts as a preservative to prevent microbial contamination. Powered by Natural Zone Technology 5.5, it is titrated to a skin-friendly pH of 5.5. This mimics the body's natural defenses, creating an ideal environment for wound healing. Vashe Wound Solution OTC has been tested against common pathogens. It helps to mechanically remove organisms from wounds, supporting the immune system. This solution is perfect for minor skin abrasions, cuts, and irritations. It's a great addition to your medical supplies for home care and can be used with wound dressings. UMNA provides medical devices and products with a focus on wound care. They are dedicated to providing high-quality and innovative products while keeping costs competitive. What we like. This solution is formulated with a skin-friendly pH, mimicking the body's natural defenses. It effectively cleanses wounds and is preserved with hypochlorous acid. If you like a natural approach to wound care that supports the body's healing process, you should consider this product. What people say. It not only keeps my wounds clean but they also help reduce the swelling and inflammation. Excellent for wound cleaning, mild, not too abrasive on wounds. This product was used by the clinicians at the wound clinic where I had a severe leg laceration treated over the course of 3 to 2 months. As explained to me, it creates a moist environment and loosens contaminated exudate, slue, and other foreign materials within the wound bed. Number 2. Active Skin Repair First Aid Spray. This spray utilizes the same safe and gentle molecule found in hospitals. It's hypochlorous acid, designed to cleanse wounds and promote faster skin recovery. This product is natural, non-toxic, and non-sensitizing. It contains no steroids, antibiotics, alcohol, or harsh chemicals, making it safe for various skin types. The spray is effective on cuts, rashes, and sunburns. It's like having a first aid kit in a convenient 3-ounce bottle, ready for daily use. This medical-grade skin solution acts quickly to provide relief. It supports the body's natural healing process, helping you recover faster. You can use your flexible spending account or health saving account card to purchase it. It's a convenient and accessible solution for your skin care needs. We are confident that you'll love it. If you're not satisfied, simply return it for a full refund. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This spray uses a natural and non-toxic formula with hypochlorous acid, which is safe and gentle. It is also doctor recommended and provides fast relief for various skin irritations. If you are looking for a versatile and gentle solution for minor skin issues, you should consider this product. What people say. It goes on as a fine, cooling mist, which makes application easy and painless, especially helpful with little ones who don't like creams or wipes. We've seen faster healing and less irritation when we use this consistently, especially on playground scrapes and diaper area rashes. I saw visible signs of healing in just 24 hours. I've used it for 2 days now and it is 50% healed. No odor, no residue, and dries fast. Number 1. Rite Sterile Saline Wound Wash Spray. Are you looking for a way to effectively clean minor wounds? This product is your go-to solution for wound hygiene. It helps promote healing and is a must-have for your first aid kit. Worried about the pain of cleaning a wound? This product uses natural saline to remove debris without any stinging or burning sensation. It's gentle yet effective. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and care that goes into every bottle. Whether you're at home or enjoying the outdoors, this spray is an essential tool for keeping wounds clean. Incorporate it into your skin cleansing routine for optimal healing. Rite has been a trusted brand for health and wellness since 1962. We are committed to providing you with the best products and services to improve your well-being. What we like. This wound wash helps clean minor wounds and promotes healing. It is a natural saline solution that removes debris without stinging or burning. If you are looking for a simple and effective wound wash made in the USA, you should consider this product. What people say. I fill up a small spray bottle with this solution and spray it onto my piercings daily and let it air dry, and it works extremely well to keep your piercing healthy. We use this wound wash and it seems like it does the job well. Easy to use and my dogs don't seem to mind me using it on them when they have cuts and scratches from running through the woods in my backyard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.